Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to show to you how you can produce a lovely Camembert dish with Croutes through the Panasonic high-speed oven. Firstly, we take our Camembert and we score it down and across. We're then going to take some thyme sprigs and just insert these into the cheese. We pop this to one side and take our par-baked baguette. Slice through this into rounds of equal size, and in a bowl, toss with olive oil, sea salt and cracked black pepper. We're now going to bake these croutes off in the oven. The cook time is going to be for 60 seconds and we're going to use the grill option on high at 80%. The Camembert is going to take 90 seconds to cook using the program of P8 for the microwave with the grill on low at 30%. By using the Panasonic speed oven, we can produce this dish up to 10 times quicker than a regular convection oven.